PDP! Power to the people!
Expelled from the party. And you have been that Ogbeide is expelled from the party.
Ogbeide Ihama-Omoregie. You will recall that 6 weeks ago, precisely 3rd of May 2024, the Ward Executive and critical stakeholders of Oredo Ward met and suspended Honorable Ogbeide Ihama-Omoregie for a period of 30 days, and a disciplinary committee was set up for him. The committee wrote him letters and called him on phone and sat 5 times, and Ogbeide Ihama-Omoregie failed to appear before the committee. Today, we have received the report and recommendation of the committee, which has recommended the expulsion of Honorable Ogbeide Ihama-Omoregie from the PDP, the offense of Honorable Ogbeide Ihama-Omoregie, for which he now stands expelled, is captured under Section 58, subsection 1, A, B, D, E, F, H, I, J, and L. With the expulsion of Honorable Ihama-Omoregie, members of the general public are to cease and desist from doing any business that has to do with PDP with him